Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix enable to initiate call on WhatsApp. Please try again. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so don't worry guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix this. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to here simply open settings. From here guys, you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after that you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If they have any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that scroll it below, and here tap on journal and tap on software update, and make sure that there is no update on your device. If they have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply close this page, open your app store, tap here search and search for WhatsApp. From here guys, you have to simply just update your WhatsApp, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can fix your problem very easily. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the audio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.